Friends, today I'd like to discuss what is noun, noun examples, and explanation. So, a noun is the name of anything. So, a noun can be the name of a person, place, thing, animal, quality, feeling, or any idea. The name of anything. And it's the most important part of speech because every sentence usually contains at least one noun. The categories of noun with examples. So name of people or professions can be noun like Dr. Abdul Rahim, teacher, student, engineer, police officer, mother are all nouns. Abdul Rahim is the name of people, student or teacher is name of profession. Then places can be noun like place or positions like Dhaka, hospital, market, school, library, park, Moscow, airport are all nouns. Things or objects can be noun like phone, book, table, chair, pen, bottle, computer, bag. The name of animals can be noun like cow, cat, dog, horse, bird, fish. The names of any animals. Okay. Then ideas or feelings can be noun, abstract noun, like honesty, happiness, anger, courage, beauty, fear, can be called nouns. Materials, like name of materials or substances, example water, well, rice, gold, wood, plastic, salt, any type of materials, name can be noun. Then groups can be considered collective nouns. Name of groups like group of people like team, family, committee, class. Then name of collective or collection of any animals or group of animals can be called crowd, folk, okay, herd, and any objects, a group of objects can be called fleet are all noun because they are all collection. Okay. Event can be noun. Any event or names of happenings or occasions like party, meeting, wedding, election, festival, mass can be noun. Then the name of time can be noun like day, night, week, month, year, evening, all are nouns. Okay. Then natural things can be called, can be noun, like sun, moon, river, ocean, mountain, rain, can be nouns. Then food and drinks can be noun like rice, bread, milk, tea, coffee, juice, meat, vegetables. Any type of language or subject can be noun like English, Bangla, mathematics, science, history. Then any names of any tools or equipment can be called noun like knife, computer, camera, printer, machine. Okay. Name of any cloth can be noun. Examples shirt, pant, dress, jacket, shoes, cap, uniform. Then buildings and structures. Names of buildings or constructions are noun like house, bridge, office, tower, factory, etc. etc. So thank you.